Won't surrender, faith is like a fire that never burns to embers. The voice of the unheard, love is the answer.
I gotta speak it, believe it, that's how I feel inside.
I can't sit here quiet.
You can take my heart, you can take my breath when you pry it from my cold dead chest.
This is how we rise up, heavy as a hurricane, louder than a freight train. This is how we rise up, heart is beating faster, feels like thunder, magic static. Call me a fanatic, it's our world, they can never have it. This is how we rise up, it's our resistance, you can't resist us. Can you hear me? Are you listening? Sleeping in the shadows could be making history.
The National Weather Service in Las Vegas has issued an excessive heat warning, which is in effect until 8 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. At 1:45 p.m., a temperature of 102 degrees was recorded at Harry Reid International Airport. This unseasonably high temperature will significantly increase the potential for heat-related illnesses, particularly for those working or participating in outdoor activities. To reduce risk during outdoor work, the Occupational Safety and Health Administration recommends scheduling frequent rest breaks in shaded or air-conditioned environments. Anyone overcome by heat should be moved to a cool and shaded location. If you happen to get a heat stroke after being outside for a long period of time, call 911 immediately or rush to the nearest hospital to get treatment. Drink plenty of fluids, stay in an air-conditioned room, stay out of the sun, and check up on relatives and neighbors. Young children and pets should never be left unattended in vehicles under any circumstances. This is especially true during warm weather when car interiors can reach lethal temperatures in a matter of minutes. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio or your local media outlets for further updates.